Oh, dude, it's so large.
Yeah! Yeah! Oh, there it is!
Still haven't touched it, man. I gotta get on this. So sorry I missed yesterday's video. Oh, what was it? 2 days ago. So we are on the way to the shop, of course, and today we have a bit of a to-do list. I want to get the Kooky in a spot where she's ready for paint, at least like the engine bay, get it all prepped up. I actually got some boxes back there, and hopefully you guys can see that. We have the wrap and also the subframe bushings. We got some Power by Max solid subframe bushings, so those should be going in here pretty shortly as well, which means the car can go back on the ground. Huge thank you, by the way, to everyone who has recently subscribed. If you guys are watching this and are not subscribed, you know, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and turn those notifications on. Really would help out the channel. And another big shout out to everyone who went ahead and copped the sticker. Really means the world to me. You guys are awesome. Also, gotta give a huge shout out to my dad for letting me borrow his truck. I think Jordan and maybe Ryan are coming by later to the shop, so we'll also kind of see what they're up to tonight. But yeah, should be a good day, so I'll see you guys at the shop. Home sweet home. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, Shirley. Check these things out, man. They look real good. They're actually really smooth already. Like seriously, super smooth. Honestly, I don't really need to sand them. However, we're gonna do it anyway, just to kind of get. There's a couple little spots that run or two that we need to kind of deal with. So I got this wheel all ready and prepped for the paint. Like I was saying, got all of them, well, at least this one prepped.
Hey there.
Hey there, bud.
We're sorry.
Keep it down. Like I was saying, we hit it with some 400 grit, and these things are so damn smooth. Did the barrels and the faces. Well, I say faces. I'm only on one, so there's been some time gone by. Some time has gone by. We've only done one. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get some body filler out, guys. Hit the spots where I did obviously the welding and the grinding. So get that stuff all smooth. Alright guys, so a little kind of progress update here on the Kooky. I just went ahead and ripped off the fender off. For those of you that are wondering, I guess there's a few screws up here. You got one, where is it? Right up in here. You got one down there that you have access from inside the fender. And you got one up front here on the front of the car. And you have two underneath your rocker down there. Super easy. Alright, literally hours have gone by sanding, man. I feel like every day, every video there's been consisting of some sort of sanding. Oh my god, I'm ready to just paint stuff. No, but seriously guys, this is coming along pretty well. Everything is pretty much good to go. Only thing I have to go ahead and do is take off the kind of trim piece on top of the cowl there. Took off the VIN plate, as you can see up in here. Real nice and smooth and contour to the edge. I'm gonna hit it with one more coat just because there's a couple little low spots or spots that I just didn't get the first time, as well as a spot up top here which I didn't even fill in general. We're now gonna move on to this old girl, man. She's gotta uncover her first a little bit, but yeah, so we're gonna be, as you can see, I've already started to kind of rip off the black. I did this years and years ago in my driveway without a heat gun in like 40-degree temps, and surprisingly it lasted. I mean, it was fine when I ripped it off, but today we're gonna make it even better, cleaner, do a better job. So first things first, we'll get this thing all uncovered, start ripping off this vinyl, and we'll get to wrapping this again. And we're also gonna do our A-pillars, so that's the next plan for today. Okay, so we got it all off. However, now we're gonna go ahead and do it the right way, which I didn't do the first time, is take our hatch off. little tricky one with one person, so we're gonna take this off so we can kind of get inside. Actually, no, I want to wrap it further in. And anyways, I'm wrapping the inside of here. I told you guys this a couple times already. And also, I want to go ahead and paint the inside of my hatch here, because as you can see, it's like white over there, it's like gray over here, black back there. So, not really sure what's going on there. Don't worry about that. That'll make sense in a second here. I'm gonna try and use that to kind of hold the hatch once I take off the. Oh God. Come on. Oh. All that for this. Oh gosh, try again. I don't even know if where I'm taking this yet. Ow. Oh God. Oh man. Well, that wasn't extremely painful at all. Kind of nicked my wrap over here. Kind of butthurt about that. You guys see that? Damn, definitely recommend a helping hand with that, gentlemen. Another Subaru, probably broken.
Hello. That was all very loud doors.
Just nailed my lens there.
Oh, is that what you hit?
Yep. Is your car broken?
Yes.
Really?
No,
well,
but yes.
Okay, so we're not fixing it today.
Oh, no.
What are we doing?
Today we're just talking about it.
Okay, we're just talking. Oh,
it's just an explanation.
All right. Hope I didn't.
Where's she been?
Okay.
No, she looks. You look solid.
I nailed it.
I thought it was just the handle.
Jesus, man. God. What is going on with me today?
You catch that?
Yeah, I got it right on film. Nailed my thigh. So we got it all cleaned up with some ISO. We're gonna hit it with some tack rag, lay some knifeless hape ski down, and we'll go ahead and get this thing looking not like a Spider-Man themed car anymore. So pretty pumped about that.
Have you had that one?
Yeah, I had one, bro.
Oh.
I owned one of these pieces.
You use the horn? I don't use my horn.
Nah, dude, I just give him a little rev bomb. I don't have my horns hooked up, so every time, actually a couple times on my way to Atlanta, or back from Atlanta, I gave a couple people a little two-step action. One guy literally almost shat himself. Like he was swerving in, looked like he was half asleep. I gave him a little hop, 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 and he was like, oh my God. So anti-lag sometimes comes in handy. But no, we're gonna go ahead. I freaking already told you guys this. But luckily I have a friend here. Whoa! Nailed my $3,000. I've been nailing everything today. And in my lens, I almost took my computer off the damn my hood almost fell down. I almost wrecked my hatch. You guys would have seen that. You guys actually asked me a lot. I was asked quite a lot about where I got my wrap from the 240. It's Metro restyling.
Metro booming.
What's the more?
So yeah, we got some yellow vinyl wrap in here. It's gonna look super good when we're done. I think the yellow and the blue is gonna contrast pretty sweet. So.
You want me to come over there and then we'll walk it around?
Ooh, love the smell of vinyl, man. That's just a good smell.
Woo! I don't know if I'd call that good.
That's almost like the smell of a sharp. Woo! You better sniff.
Wow.
We're done.
Keep going. There you go. Wow, dude, it's so large.
Yeah! Ooh, the big black stick. By the way,
It's an amazing shot, dude.
the hood I almost destroyed earlier.
Yeah, that was pretty scary.
Yeah, that wasn't good.
Wow, Jay.
Ooh, this looks nice, bro. Woo! Right.
Yeah, if you got the finesse.
So I'm saying, do a little tweaking. Alright.
That's the new dance move right there. The little...
Oh. With the jiggy knees, dude?
Oh, with the jiggy knees.
Alright. Here we go. This is it. Black root time.
We're live.
Black root time. You guys know about this life? You'll know how great this smells. Literally the best thing in the world.
Oh!
It smells great.
Smells like red.
Like big red.
Yeah, big red.
It smells fantastic.
Look at this interior.
Look at all that crap that came off. Look at all that.
Woo! Look at this interior though. He looks like a hobo.
Yeah, got me in a bad state.
Look at this.
Just give me some time.
You want me to take that? You got it? No, you got it. Alright.
Now stretch it as hard as you can. Pull it. Oh, okay, dude. Right as I start filming, you're gonna get all inappropriate on him.
Come look at this though.
God damn, cool. Man, that's going in, dude. That's going in. Oh! Ryan, I told you, bro. The bathroom, man. Use the bathroom. If you guys need a plumber, hit up Jordan. Link in the description. I need this car on the ground, dude. I feel like an 80-year-old man working on this thing. I guess this is where we going. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is, yeah! That knifeless tape is so satisfying. Holy shit, like, look how easy this was. Look at that. Look at that. It's a money cut, dude. Alright, knifeless tape, gentlemen. It's revolutionary. Woo, man, it's looking good. I'm gonna call it here for tonight, guys. Doing all that inside stuff is gonna at least take me like at least another hour. And then each of these 8 pillars, probably another 30 minutes or so. So I'm done for today, guys. Progress is super good. Kookie's ready for paint, like 95% there. Obviously got the roof wrapped on the S13. Super good day, super productive. It's late now, so it's time to call it one. Okay, and of course I got my freaking glove on still. Good day, got a lot of stuff done. Basically just kind of prepped the Kookie a little bit today. A lot of stuff I did off camera just because I feel like it's, you know, sanding. You know what I mean? You guys have seen enough of that on this channel. But the roof is looking super good. Knifeless tape makes the world of difference, guys. So tomorrow, maybe hopefully get the subframe installed. That'd be ideal. So look out for that video. Get his glove off. Got the solid subframe bushings coming in. Well, they're in, so that's good. Also, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the paint for the wheels. I know I was supposed to do that kind of in this video, but that didn't happen. Yeah, dudes, really loving the grind, man. It's been a constant hustle. Sorry about missing one day of videos. That's my fault. Don't be mad at me. But I'm still gonna do the daily thing. I'm gonna try and film every day. If not every day, it'll be 5 days a week. You know what I mean? Maybe I'll take the weekends off some days. Can't be working too hard all the time. So definitely thanks, you know, definitely showing huge appreciation to everyone out there who's still watching this video. If you guys grabbed a sticker, you guys have no idea how much that's helping the channel. And yeah, man, it means the world to me. So if you guys could go ahead and grab one, I'm more than happy to sign them. Just write so you want a signature in the order notes. So yeah, should be cool. But yeah, boys, that's gonna be it for today. I'm tired. I'm probably a bit of a mess, but what's new? Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. Later.